Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Today on the show we have a variety of different phone cases for your iPhone mini. We're going to be telling you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today on the show we have a huge variety of different phone cases for your iPhone mini. I don't know if you're like me, but when you go to a party, you want to have a different phone case. Otherwise, people will say, hey, he still has the same phone case. You want to stand out in the crowd. Then the people will say, hey, check out his phone case. It's pretty cool. Muy chévere. So today, I'm going to introduce to you a huge selection. For the little ring-a-ding ones, you have the purple one, a pink one, and a blue one. Very stylish. They're kind of in a marble color. They are very classy. They come in only one case here. You slip your phone into it just like this. Maybe you are more careful than I am. Okay, look at that. So snazzy. You can see the camera has a beveled edge right here. They also has a beveled edge right here. You will not scratch this lens. So these types of phone, you turn it around and it has a little ring-a-ding thing here. You put your finger in here. Maybe it looks like you are married, or maybe you are playing basketball. The phone will not drop at all. You can also put the phone right here and you can watch my movies right here. Maybe you tie a rope and you need an anchor for your canoe. I don't know, but the ring-a-ding thing is pretty cool. It's classy. And maybe you're bored and you need to just go with move the little ring-a-ding thing. I like it. I also like the word ring-a-ding-ding. And here is another type of style. This style allows you to put your credit card in here or your money. And it comes in 3 different colors. You got your blue, your purple, and your pink. It comes in the marble style. This is also a one case. So you take your phone just like this. Put it right here. Do a little snappy on the side. And boom, there you go. See, you can see the camera. Very pretty. I like this one. You can put many different things right here, maybe even some cookies, and it also has the beveled edge. Look at that, very gold. It says gold. This says classy. When you go to the party, people are going to say, hey, he's a classy guy because he has a classy phone case like this. And they look in here and they don't see the money. Okay, now we have another style. These are 2 parts in each, and they come in the purple, the black, and the rojo, the red. I am throwing a little Spanish for you. So let's take a look at the black one. I'm going to open that for you. So you can see it has 2 cases. Now, this has a protective screen right here. Now, if you do a search on YouTube, you can find out if you want to take the screen off and use the one that is on, comes with your phone, or a different one. So I will let you do that research on your own. Right now, I'm going to insert the phone. It do a little snappy snap like that. And boom, you can see how simple this is. I am not a professional, but you can see that it goes very snappy quick. Put in all the sides there. Feels very good in the hand and very well protected. You can see it has the beveled edge all around here. Also protects your camera, and you can see the little apple with the bite out of it right here. So people can say, hey, look at that. He has one of those new iPhone minis. What kind of phone case are you using? You can tell them i-Blason. And you tell them, go to my channel and take a look. I am classy guy too. Okay, here's a different style. We have 4 colors to choose from. You have the purple. You have a pink one right here. You have kind of like a teal color and a black one. These cases have 2 parts to them. You have the part that you slide your phone into right here. So I will demonstrate that. Do a little snappy, and you put the camera facing right in here. And right away, this goes together very quickly. And you can see again that it is protecting your lens with the beveled edge here. And it is protecting the screen right here. And like I said before, this comes with a screen cover, but if you do not want one, search the YouTube and find out how you can take that off if you already have a screen cover. But look at that, very snazzy. Oh, you will be the life of the party. Muchas gracias for watching the show today. I hope you found a phone case that you will like for your iPhone mini. I will have a link down below where you can find these on Amazon. And like always, have a very good day. Adios. Bye-bye.